My name is Paravi, and Khalid Hassan and me, we are teammate, and we have a big digital marketing agency, and we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. So, at first, I want to introduce our agency to you, sir. Can I share my screen?
Sure. You are here to help promote with live streaming or with videos.
It's just videos, not live streaming. It's videos, and it recorded for train our team member how to do buyer meeting with buyers. Okay,
Sure.
okay, sir. So this is our website www.fsdfreelancehelp.com. In this website, you'll find all of our contact informations and all about us. And if you scroll down, then you can see my picture is attached there, and I am founder and CEO of this agency. And we have lot of work history. If you go to our client meeting sections, then you'll find there are a lot of previous buyer meeting we have far from here.
Okay. I'm a bit on a tight schedule, so can you please explain how are you going to boost my videos and this on YouTube?
Okay, okay, okay. So, recently our team member has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page SEO problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel will boost, and we can assist you to boosting your channel by doing SEO. SEO means search engine optimizations. So we will optimize your video title, we will optimize your video descriptions, and we will research high volume rank text to your videos. And when you put that type of text to your videos, then your video will go on top. And when someone search related to your video, then your video will go on top. So we have two method to boost your videos. One is organic and another is paid method. So in organic method, which is SEO, but it takes 1 to 3 weeks to get results. But if you want to get instant results, so we have YouTube Google Ads promotions method. So we will promote your videos through Google Ads, and you will give us a budget for 7 days or 10 days. Then we will create an ad campaign. Then when we promote your videos through Google, then you will get more organic views, sir. So which method do you want to start with?
Obviously, organic. If I'm doing ad, I could just pay that for myself. I could just do it myself. YouTube already offers that.
Okay. So if you choose organic, so you have to wait. Sometimes it takes 1 to 3 weeks to get result. So for YouTube SEO, we have two packages. One is starter and another is monthly. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video SEO, and it costs $120, and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another one is a standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video, and it costs $300, and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. So, which one do you want to start with?
How are you going to be optimizing my videos?
Okay. We have two methods to optimize your videos. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize everything from our side. But if you do not give your channel access, you just send your 10 video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we'll hand over to you. Then you just copy and paste each data by yourself.
So you're not doing anything. You're just going to be changing the description and title. That's it.
Yeah, we recharge high volume rank tags also. High volume rank tags means whose tag has high search volume, but competition is low. So we'll recharge tag
This is
also.
using vidIQ.
No, we use vidIQ, but we have lot of tools. We not only use vidIQ, we have lot of tools as a YouTube SEO expert.
Okay. I think I'm good.
Okay. So you think about it, and if you are satisfied, then if you want to take our service, then let our team member know. Then if you are interested, then we will work for you. But I assure you that if you work with us, then definitely you will get good result.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Okay. Bye bye.